What's going on, guys? Vic is Fit here, gonna show you guys how to make Vic muffins. These Vic muffins are gonna get you fit, full of lots of protein and a good source of fat. So I'm gonna be using two things only. I'll be using egg whites, I'm gonna be using peanut butter. So all natural peanut butter, completely natural. If you can get organic stuff, go ahead and get it, but it's completely natural. Just salt, roasted peanuts, and egg whites. Let's get started. Try it. How's it taste?
Doesn't taste bad.
Very good. There we go. So these are my muffins here. Gonna go ahead and eat them. That's 6 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and if you want for extra sweetening and stuff like that, you can go ahead and add some stevia. Make sure the stevia is clean, no extra fillers and stuff like that, and that's it. And you get these muffins. So try them out. Vic is Fit muffins. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy them. Part of my prep and stuff like that, and it's how we get results. Here we go. Great, these came out, man. So perfect. So perfect. Taste test. Mmm. 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 So good, guys. So good. Peace out. See you guys later. Have a good day.